Hello guys, welcome to Padolico Computer Science. Mr. Mughal is here and you are watching PhotoApp Firebase and Kotlin tutorial series. Last video we complete our user profile update. Now I little bit changing in this code. We need not set value here. We need update children. So I explain you how to change this. So I comment these lines and write a new line for this val and user map equal to hash map, and we need to update a children, not set value. Last video I set value because I have planned to add more things, so I change it to children update children, yeah, update children. Okay, now I tell you string, and here's need to write any means any value. Okay, so simply write here's, and I command delete these lines a code. Okay, right, here's a database dot update child. Okay, you can see update child. Now pass a user map, next add on complete listers and add task. Okay, then we need to if statements and toss is successful, then we put a start intent. So I write intent and equal to intent, put application constant and start main activity double colon class java and start activity, and put intent and finish this activity. Oh sorry, that not activities, activity, and no finish it. Okay guys, I hope you can understand this, and I remove this code here's need for and clean. So okay, you can see here's our code is update. I change this code and you can easily understand. Just change any here's string replace with any, and set value replace with the update children. So okay, in this video we learn complete upload image. So let's start. First of all, we need to go to tools and add Firebase storage. Okay, click here, connected already, so I connect and accept changings. Add cloud storage to your app. Okay, still wait, grader is building. So I come back here, go to my console. Please subscribe, like our YouTube Facebook page for more update, because I share with each and everything our about new updates. So I hope you understand what I mean. So you can see here, and you also follow our Twitter page. Now go to our app and go to authentication sessions. Yes, you can see I go back to my project. So here you can see here, and first after this we need to add permissions. So I close these types and also close this and close it. We need to add permission. So go to manufacturing file. So you can see here, so we add in 3 permissions. One is internet read external storage and write external storage. So I comment this and add again for you guys. use use permissions and internet. You can select here, okay, and close this. And also use permissions, read external storage, and close this. And also use permissions and write external storage, and close this. Okay, you can see here, and I remove this. Okay, our work is complete, so come back our user profile activity. Now we need to add on click listeners. So I add on click listeners. Okay, it's called I do. It is not for you guys. So yeah, here's we need to set on image, click on set a click listener on image view. So I view here's our name m user image. So here's we add user image dot set on click listeners. Sorry, that click listeners. No, here's used to run a what happens. M user image dot set on click listeners. Sorry, that is my spelling mistake. So here's we need to run a open gallery. So I write gallery intent next we need to next new intent. So now next gallery intent dot type equal to image slash star. Okay, and next gallery action dot action equal to intent dot action dot get contents. Okay, and also and start result activity. Start result activity for result. Now here's put intent dot create choosers, and choosers our gallery intents, and title is select image. And after this we need a constant variable, so we made here's, and I create this. I write here's latent sorry, that create private val gallery pick. Okay, and sign value 1. Now here's we put gallery pick. Okay, our intent is ready. Now it's time to run this app. Our app is run. So I click this image, and you can see our gallery is open. And next to you here's no item, so I select image, and you can see Okay, you can see here's image loading, so I come back here and we need to add Firebase storage reference. So we put first of all storage reference here, let int var m image storage, okay, colon uh, storage. We add for a storage reference, and after this we here's m image storage equal to firebase firebase storage firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference. So complete here, and next we need to create a result activity. So I create activity. Before adding uploading image, we need to a grab library for image grabbing. So for grab image, I go to here and write here grab image for Android. So here you can see as image grab libraries. Yeah, you can see here, and now adding this image libraries. So before it you can read this documentations, but I already read this documentation, so I not read. So first of all we need to add this dependency, so I copy this dependency, and after this we add a read and write. We already added this line, so just added, come back here and implement here and sync now. Always use a latest versions of every library, because libraries update after time. So many problems जो है appear. So rating our libraries grader is building, that it is not any errors, just app compact errors. Don't worry, this error is not anything. So wait, I come back here. Our grader is built, so we now we need to add Picasso library. So I go to Google and search Picasso and no GitHub, and you can see in here we need to add this library. Come back here and paste here and sync no no, we need to change this name to a capital letter, so I change this name to capitals. Sorry that. It is required, so we put it to capital and copy this line, copy this and go here and replace this. Okay, replace this. Now it's time to run result activities. So go come here, our map is here, and here start this activity on here on start on get result. Hello guys, so then I find any other way to uploading image on Firebase, so I show you how to I adding. First of all, we go to Google and search is easy permissions. Without permissions, you cannot upload any image, any access from the mobile. So you can add easy access before. It is a libraries I search on Google and you can see, and this is link is here, and I put a description link on descriptions. So first of all, what we do easy permissions and go to here. First of all, we add these permissions. I add already, so I show you how to add. So go to compilers, builders apps, you can see here's this one. You can see this is a permissions app. Okay, after this, if your compilers SDK version 2.7.27, then change 6 lower, you change to 27, so you can easily change this 27. After this you can search on Slick compressions. Compress the image size. Okay, you can search. You need to write these documentations. If you have any questions, so tell me. After permissions, then go to here and put the silicon compressors, libraries and graders. You can see this one. After this, need one more. Go to, and after this you can see this link compressors. This link compress the files. Okay, you can see his. Okay, and copy this link and paste on grader files. Okay, then I show. Let's start. I put third one libraries his hairs. You can see 1, 2 and 3 libraries I add is already. Okay, so come back our main activities. Write how to implement easy permission. After this you can see extend with easy permission dot permissions back call. Okay, and after this you go to here and you can read this. You can see his hairs. Easy permissions. Okay, then requires on permission, required two from methods. If you got any errors, I show you. If you got errors here, you justly implement alt and enters. Two method is implements. I show you. These methods. One permission denied and others on permission gains. Okay, and third one is permission on request permission result. Okay, you can see his here. I share with the code. It is just simply code. I explain you how to implement on your project. So after this, okay, done. And go back here. After this we need I create already an Firebase reference, storage reference. Okay, and I created locations and contents array. Okay, array of contents dot manufacturers dot write external storage and read external storage and read camera permissions. Okay, after this we create a static variable val variable rc location. It contains params equal to assign any value. Its type integer. Okay, after this we declares here's m firebase storage dot instance dot get reference. Okay, you can see here's UI id equal to firebase id. We create here's for storing informations. So after this it is a our after this we add on complete add image on click listener. So we simply toss print. Here you can see here this code if has locations and content permissions. Agar if you have permissions, then open this whale activity. You can see I remove this. You simply open the intents. Open after open the intents and you can see here if you have not permissions, then you can firstly pass right easy permission dot request permissions. First host you post give application constants, yeah, this, then put a string. You can see here you can put your want and string, then you can put rc locations location contains params. You have create here's you can see here's this create. After this we need to pass a location and content array. I create here you can see this array. Okay, and also need a star. Okay, you can see star, and then on result I explain this later. Before just implement on previous methods. You can see write this methods as you when okay, you can see this methods and easily just you copy paste it, and after this line and after this line methods, and after this return functions dot has permissions, and you can see here's our array create on the top. Okay, with a star. No, never forget to adding star. Okay, you add star with it is methods to implement easy permission. Okay, our easy permission methods is complete. Next we need we added already dependencies, so I show you dependencies. We need to grab. I show you again grab image libraries. Yeah, you can see this is library. First off we added already this library and also this line. So implement using activity which you grab image activity into your manufacture file. So just copy this line, copy these lines and go to your manufacture file, go here and just simply implement here. You can see our implement is here. After this our code our craft file is complete. So yeah, here's first of all we required on create on activity result. Okay, it is you simply call it on result on activity result. If I add a conditions, if request code equal to gallery pickers, this variable create on the top. I show you this one. Okay, you can see this one. After this, and request code equal to activity dot result. Okay, just to read the same. Now, while image UI equal to data, you can see this data. You can see this data and dot data. Image UI, you got image UI. Next, you grab the image activity, pass this image to this and set acceptive rate 1 and 1 and set minimum grab size 5000 and 5000 and next start this. Okay, next our graph is okay. I show you our activity is run. I click on pick. You can see our gallery is open. I remove. You can see here pics. I select this one and you can see this crepe image. So I select this one selected area and you can see this is one. This code is no execute. Okay, you modify as you wish. Next, if code equal to grab image dot grab image activity request codes, write this line to same. Then while request equal to image dot get result data. Okay, after this, if code request equal to activity dot result. Okay, if mean result is okay, then show a progress. I show then a progress. Okay, I grab this. You can see this progress is running. Afterwards, I set a message title, set a uploading image and set a message please wait, and after progress bar set cancel on touch outside. If user touch or screen is not cancel. Okay, so I pass false and show progress. After this, file request UID equal to request dot UID URI. Next, we thumb file required, say one our really file and one our compressed file. So I need the thumb file path and file path this URL dot path. Next, compress code. Here's you can see here's a thumbnail. I create a new variable compress the pass this constants and width maximum 200 and height is 200 and quality 75 and dot compress to bitmap and store this file. Okay, I pass this file to this and then you compress this file here, so you can see our file is compressed. Next, I just add some random code. So you can see BAOS equal to byte array output stream. Next, bit thumbnail bit dot compress bit map dot compress format dot jpg. Okay, quality so and 100 and then you can see this code is pass a variable passing here and then you can see thumb bit equal to 2 byte array. It is simple code, you can just copy this methods, don't worry, it is easy. Next, our important things here, say you can see our auth. You know we need to we need to grant user. So auth dot get instant Firebase auth dot get instance also UID, then grant UID dot UID, and we pass the file path equal to Firebase storage reference we create on the top here. And you can see this one. Afterwards, I create a child name profile image. I show you this one, and you can see this. Go back here. wait, you can see this child node profile image slash. Okay, then you can add a new child, grant user id and use plus jpg file name. After this file you can see thumbnail and profile and create a new child with the same user grant user id. I show you second child, one parent child node this one and child node this one. Okay, you can see this same pic storage here and same pic storage where you can see this size, and I show you second pic size. This you can see this size. Okay, next after this we need to add here, you can see file path dot put file. You can see put file result uid and add on complete listeners if task is complete. Our download url task dot result equal to a result dot download double not means as safety null dot to string. We download url image url and store as a string. Then next we upload task equal to file path and dot put bytes and thumb bytes. Okay, after this file on complete dot on complete listeners thumbnail task. Okay, you can see here's a thumbnail you are download and also I show you where's putting. I go to our, you can see image and thumbnail image. You have two different name, same image. Okay, you can see same image but name is different. Now go to here, you can see here's thumbnail dot result dot url to string of thumbnail task is success. Then I made a hash map. Now you can show map dot any we create on start on the video. You can see put value. I use Java methods, so I replaced to Kotlin methods. Just simple update as map and name image and go here and put first download url and then update, and then you can change this name to as you wish image. Okay, put string and also thumbnail url. Same work you can see here. Okay, and after this we add a database reference I create on the top. I show you. You can see his hairs. Okay, and with current user uid. After hairs you can see. Now we put the value. If I add on complete listeners task if complete profile image is uploaded successfully. After this you can see our else statement. You can see progress dismiss and simple toast prints error is printed. After this you can see this one. I show you this one task. You can see our else statement progress dismiss error is uploading error is missing a problem, so I minimize it, and you can see this one code our starting on result you can see on result if you got any errors, if else if result equal to grep.image dot code error, while dot error just print result dot error, just print the errors. Okay, it is very simple code to explain. So now I run this app again. I share with the code, don't worry, you got each and everything. Sorry that I not made with live because it is very lengthy and I face some errors, so I clear up and show you and explain you how to work and how can you add this your project. Okay, our creator is built. I hope guys you can understand each and everything. If you have any problems, please contact me. I help you. Don't worry. Every day Google's add new security features, so we need to add latest requires. So you can see our app is run. I open this app and profile opens and go also our profile. If I log out this one account and I log in again, I create a new account. I click this one. So I write Ali at gmail.com and password, and I log in a new account. So no, I upload any image. You can see here's no image. You can see here's no image. So I select any image on my gallery. I already allowed our permission, so not corruption. You can see a image uploading. Please wait. You can see our image is here, image link is here, and thumbnail image is here, and also you can see our refresh this page. You can see this one. You can see this one pic. Okay, so hopefully we upload our image and compress image, and we complete this video with the major three things. One is permissions, second is image uploading, and third is compress the image. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So meet you next, and download if fetch image user current user name and status, and also update image. Okay, see you next video. Allah.